Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can integrate Zoho CRM with WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, to do so, you're going to need to use Zoho Flow, which you can easily find just by Googling it. It is one of the Zoho functionalities or products that you have. Then once you get to this page, just click Access Zoho Flow, then give the organization name. I'll just name it Test. Time zone and date format you can choose over here as well. And once you do that, just click create. Then once you click create, let's wait for it to create, and now you can create a flow or create a folder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a flow, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it WordPress Zoho. Then you can choose the folder. In the description, I'll just write test, then create that flow. And as far as I'm aware, this is similar to certain other functionalities or other services that you have. I forgot which they are. I used some of them in the past, but I forgot their names. But you can pretty much just make connections between your two sites or two services. When one event happens on another site, you can select what will happen on the first site, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, this is sort of an instruction manual you have, but as you can see, you can add an app which triggers when an event occurs in an app. For example, when a new lead is added to Zoho CRM, you can set this to make some changes on WordPress. You can create a schedule as well as a webhook. For example, triggers when data is received from an app or code through a unique webhook URL. You can integrate this into WordPress, and then once this triggers, it will create an action on Zoho. So you can choose whichever one you want. You can use whichever one you want from these. I'll, for example, choose an app just to show you guys what the setup looks like. And as you can see here, you can search for WordPress. You can search over here. So WordPress, there we go. You have .com and .org. I'll just select the .com version, then click next. You can select which trigger you want, whether it's category added, comment added, post added, taxonomy added, or user added. I'll, for example, set it to user, click next. And then you can connect to WordPress.com. I don't have a WordPress account or a site, so I can't really do this. And as you can see, it checks for new entries every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, changes will be detected, and they will do something within Zoho. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.